You play at the team.
I mean,
See, I want to change your life. I want to make you one of the biggest ones.
I require what you tell me. They ask me to work. I require them.
Why you go call him? You don't see say this now.
I want challenge you on with you. Hey, I'm here. Where they go?
You why? Everywhere they carry gun, they shoot everybody. Why?
Hey! You know the reason why I call you? Huh? You know the reason why I call you? Stand well.
I beg, don't shoot me.
I don't go shoot you. See that guy? You know the respect. Eh? You know the respect. I don't want to see you Brazil again. Eh? They hear me? I don't want to see you Brazil again next time. They hear me?
You just said I swear, you have to be careful. No, I thought he said Spanky. Mickey, stop it.
Spanky Mickey.
Oh my goodness.
You see that they say them there?
No,
Charlie, Sean. Your boyfriend.
You
Grace
and
talk.
you see,
Is
you
it
and
the
Grace.
What?
If this issue gets to the class, then it means I suspect you guys of spreading this rumor.
Mickey.
Oh, stop it, la. Oh, stop.
Mickey. See Mickey speaks.
I beg, make her just the go.
Oh, this one to you, boy. I beg, wait for me.
Huh?
Yeah, hello.
You.
Who this?
Well, forget you with this and hear me. I recall you, they ask me, say, who this? They crazy. Or what are they inside my head? Hear me, wait till I tell you. Now, me be Sakpanyanya. They hear me. They hear them. Now, me be Sakpanyanya. The whole campus, nobody. I mean, the whole campus, nobody. Then one self will get this campus, they fear me. Even I drink itself, they fear me.
Wait, IGP they fear you. They make a do it.
And they talk.
Are you something they worry you, eh? Or are you they see me?
Hey,
I be like some junior before your front, eh?
the guy they insult me.
See Sakpanyanya for day or lane.
Hey,
For day or lane, make a day my lane. I swear, see, eh? If you don't know where you take your damn stock and they mix my reggae, I swear I go blue and give you. For the you they call the.
hey! Yeah, they talk, you talk back. They crazy. Shut up and listen to me. I said, I make the Sakpanyanya. This campus, nobody. And they talk, you they crazy. Hey, if this guy say, hey, if I know where he is, like I will come to you, eh? Yeah, they talk.
Sakpanyanya, are you okay?
I said, shut up. Hear me. I dey call some chick.
Charlie, see, make a talk.
Hey, I said, hear me. I dey call some chick. Why me I go call baby if you go call am?
So sick of that, you dey call me. Oh, this guy, you know, get sense. I never know.
Me I no get sense.
Your parents they invest them and resources in you. Say make you can't school, can't learn. You can't dey follow girls. You say when that girl say be your taste. You zongo boy. You can't dey run trasako girl. Wait till they stop you.
Me I be zongo boy.
Charlie, see, make you relax for them.
This guy woman body all the papa me. You I go see this guy. You I go meet am.
Campus they claim Sakpanyanya. So he thinks everybody will go bow give you. Master, I swear.
This guy.
They under control. You hear they talking for them. Make you. If you don't know where you try this lie again, I swear your father self go can't apologize.
Hey, this guy call insult my father.
Fucking boy. Wasia, I no go left. See English you dey speak. Wasia, we all you don't know book, baba. See, make you no make a descend on you. How best you are there, make you no make a descend on you. Stupid boy.
Hey, this guy.
Yeah.
You don't know me.
Hey,
catch me.
Sakpanyanya. No try this line again, you dey hear me?
Eh,
No try, no see, you if you know the people you go take these things, they go them at top. Oh.
why
You
go
no
meet
be
this
hearing.
guy? Say, why go meet this guy?
See, where you go meet me? See, I dey my hostel, can't meet me for there. If you say you be man, come. Stupid boy. Come out from my line top. Idiot.
Hey, this guy catch me.
See this guy. Oh.
The whole me Sakpanyanya, this guy catch me. But I no shaking. I go meet time. The day I go meet time, then he go see, now me be Sakpanyanya.
Yes. Man, what's the boy coming? You can't learn now. Oh, wow. What's up? Every day learn. So every day they learn.
The boys wey dey the hostel side they make too much noise, so maybe I can't do the tune under them or something. So everywhere I can't do, bro.
You know what I learn? I don't get anything. I could go the gym when I body small.
Charlie, that I'm not sure. I suggest we do that later in the day.
Come on, make we go there right now. Go gym when I body small. See the way me and say cry phone cry. I learn something. I don't get anything. What I learn for you? I don't get anything.
So you won't go gym?
I'm gonna go gym now. Me at this one every day.
Well, that we can only do that later in the day. Maybe we can take a walk around. That will be mind refreshing.
Let's go to the gym and then do something better.
I want to go gym, bro. Let go take a walk.
See
Maybe by the time
ya.
we come back, your mind will be refreshing. Charlie, you feel more than you understand.
See ya. 24/7.
Let's go. How many passes?
Let's go, yeah.
Man, go draw the machine for them.
You dey delay, oh, you don't know.
You know something? If you dey problem like you make like I dey confused.
But you long time, you know since you check.
Yeah, I dey
You know,
do
see.
me. I dey do my everything. I do my everything finish. So make you no make a
Every day you do everything finish, But you know they bring their thing there.
Why?
You don't know say time they go.
You go let me vex you. Me, I don't like that thing. Oh. I dey beg you everything, but I always want to be like the challenge man. Well, see, I don't like that
This self
thing.
like I know involve myself. Self.
Ah,
Long time, every day the thing make ready, every day the thing make ready.
challenge. You know something? Make I bab you something. See me, pop my face. Na me Sakpanyanya. Don't joke plus me. Don't joke plus me. If you joke plus me, something go happen.
You know
Because
beside the joke plus you, but every day the thing make ready. Every day the thing make ready, but the thing no they come.
I know
Why?
I
You won't carry the
me, I
money
know the
alone.
rush. I dey do my everything slowly before you go realize no everything is succeed.
Every day that be what you dey talk. Me
Charlie,
sef, I fed up.
they disturb me.
You
They
come out
disturb
for here,
me.
come out for here.
Make I pop this, I forget something. You left 1 week where everything will succeed. So how should they talk? You know, it make I dey confuse my mind to do everything. So you tap cool if everything succeed that you go hear from me. I get your line. I go pub you, Make you no worry.
Anything be a network. Every day go dey here they do this. Every day go dey here they do this. Me sef.
Charlie, now these IG girls go kill her. How they go fly? See how?
That not be the reason why I call you, bro. What's up? What did they do like that?
Why they talk like egg day or my what they worry? What's up?
Bro, yeah, I get some fucking dream here, Charlie. I day here and see my body all day, like I dey shake, bro.
Dream.
Charlie,
I see like dream about what?
Charlie, I dream say some squad they chase me away. Charlie, check like they don't kill me. When they start to plus knife stuff for the dream inside, they don't take my father in pieces. Charlie,
So sick of that you make done.
why I not go make door, Charlie?
Man, keep on. You sometimes you dey slow. Sometimes you for the act like you dey work with Eric. Why you go to behave like you dey behave like deep way? Sick of you dream. Sick of you dream. So
Maybe one of your girls will call. Don't forget, Charlie. Mute them, guy. Charlie, I dey
see, make I talk you. I've booked some 3 girls before the hotel for the now. Charlie, see, if you want girl with the call, Charlie, today the 3 songs.
So ask me, I dey tell you about me, my life and death. You dey here, they talk about woman. Like seriously, bro.
See, make I talk you something. You sometimes they behave childish too much. Ah, you dream way. So the dream, what's up?
Charlie,
You go kill the people for the dream inside the waiting.
Charlie,
Dream.
do I know what is the next? Like, I don't know what will happen, Murusa. So
Me, you know dream at the dream. Me and the dream lions, tigers, then they come and room inside self. I know they can't do this. Why they behave like you? Charlie, for relax.
I swear if I no go school, you know what if I do? Comedy fit you, bro. Charlie, I dare see I forgo one my puppy. Charlie, Sean.
Make I tell you something. For free your mind. It's just a dream. See, this dream, me too. I feel they dream the same dream. You understand? Charlie, I beg you, you know something. You know say you'll be fine, but everything you they wear for this will be authentic. You understand? I won't make you give me this your later back. Make I go rush the girl now. You understand? Make I go rush the girl.
Make me try this nigga. You hear me?
Abba, I know this you.
So I get out. What is every day give me this? Why? What will you? Like, what are you, bro? Why you don't get father? Charlie, Sean, please, I beg you. If you don't get anything better, I beg. Make you know. In fact, make you not ask me anything again. You hear me? What is it?
Mickey.
Masa, get out.
Mickey, you will get say me. I go to ask you something. Say make you give me your bag. Are you be village upon fucking boy?
Hello? I was calling you number. Why? Why?
What's wrong?
What's wrong like what? Just stand up. Talking to you and I go.
Don't call me again.
Why? I feel in love with you. That's why I'm calling. Get me. I mean. Oh, let me talk to you. Why are you dragging yourself?
What should I do?
I say I
What
love
do you want? You love me.
Yes. Whether you do accept or not, I love you. This is my baby girl. Whether you like it or not, I say I love you. What do you say? Huh?
If you like kill me, I don't love you. It's not by force.
Hey, this girl, you don't love me. Don't have force yourself, you accuse yourself, you don't love me. If you don't, you just come up for you before I change my mind. Come up for you before I change my mind. Fucking you. See you. You see me, this campus, I will call you. Hey, this guy. I don't mention my name for you, so you just block yourself, eh? Oh, the next time I'll get you, you yourself, you see what will happen.
They understand what
babe. Yo, what's up? Yeah. I think I know you. I don't know me. Baby, are you in the campus? Yes. I'm from this school. What's your name?
I'm Anne.
Please excuse me. Maybe the best rapper for the campus. My name is Anne. Just the free or swag.
Are you in the campus?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You see this lady?
Yeah, but you what's wrong?
I want to talk to the campus.
But you still in the school.
At this school?
Charlie,
see, you don't see my...
This economy still in the school.
Why not?
See,
school they be.
You know what? School they be, but classes the ball.
Yeah,
you better find your talent too. Maybe the best rapper for you. Can I have your contact?
Hey, Abi, hold on.
See,
this has you people the vibe. Yeah. You know if you see a lady like this, call him.
Yeah.
Just the one violent like that.
You need this number.
No, they're afraid.
Look at the great people.
Who's ready?
Oh, chairman. Yeah, the lady, I call lady, I don't call man.
Oh, Shelly, baby.
Oh, chairman, make you not bring yourself.
The lady from campus.
I beg now.
No, please.
What's up? So you know make
if I your rapper, please. Allow your rapper from this school, okay? This lady.
Maybe the best
our chairman.
Maybe the best rapper for you. Forget about this boy.
You know Sakpanyanya?
Yeah. What is Sakpanyanya?
You know Sakpanyanya?
What is this name you are mentioning? Hey,
what is Sakpanyanya?
You don't know where? It's crazy.
Guys, so one fight.
He have gun on.
Gun for what? Gun for what? Now if you're
why you mention him, have gun.
Now if you're make a contact now.
This one I don't know, I don't know.
Hello, wait. No, I want your contact now.
Abibu, you go die, oh. Abibu.
Why?
They don't tell you go die, oh.
The number, I need the number.
Yeah, I'll meet you on campus some other time.
You see?
Hey! This guy for me now.
Hey. Come.
Called me?
Yeah, but why before you they walk like that?
I'm waiting for you. This Robin, that's why you are calling me just like that. Just, come and see the person.
No, if I call you, you for come with respect. Don't do like this, they come.
But you do know me for the area here.
See, collect this man. I want to go this woman place. Go buy lighter.
You want to send chairman from the area? My brother, because of here, you don't know me. Do you know your person you want to send me? It's Robin. You can't send me like that. It's me I'm supposed to send you. You can't send me like that. Hey, please.
I just send you.
I'll call my people to come and arrest you for you. Don't know me. Why? Don't do like that. You want to send Ruben? Look at my top and down. See.
This one you be top and down.
Now you don't know. See.
You wear something like this.
No. It's African wear.
I just say you make you go. See, you no go. No, come here talk. See your face like small monkey
you
face.
man, let's see your face. This guy won't send your chairman for the Ruben himself. My brother, have patience yourself, okay, please.
I don't suffer.
Yeah, you have to suffer. You can't send me. Why?
If you no go plus your small monkey face. Come up for here.
Me, I should come out for. I will call my people to come and
out.
arrest you for here. Yeah, area guy is me, Ruben. So you are calling me. How to let inform my people to know that you are calling me. Don't say that to me again.
Okay,
I'm warning you.
Now.
Today is your first and last.
I won't beg you.
That's why you are talking.
Come, I won't beg you.
You are talking.
I won't beg you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I regret.
How you doing?
Good job. Say we meet again. I see say here no one is here. I go fit take your life. I go fit take your life at any time. Look yourself well. The next time you see me and you interrupting me on the roadside, I will show you saying I need the Sakpanyanya. The whole campus, nobody. Even IJP self, you know my rank. You dey hear me? You dey hear me? Na me die. If you say go calm down. Nobody go see your body. No one go see your body where I go bury you. Na me be Sakpanyanya. If you joke with me, today I take spare you. I say don't make fun. Today I take spare you. But the next time I will see you and you interrupted me in my way out, you see say na Sakpanyanya.
Officer.
Hold on for me.
Good afternoon. Please, Mensa, Eric Mensa. Let me pick it up.
Let me get back. I'll get back to you myself.
Officer, please, Eric Mensa.
Okay.
Yeah, this is my hostel, Mensa Sala.
Okay.
Please, I really need some answers.
No, you speak up. What answers do you need?
Like, I want to know. I have questions. which I want to know.
Okay. Questions like,
Why is it that the police, when you report criminal case, like the investigation delays before the victim come to book?
if I may ask, have you reported any case to the police and then?
Yes, officer. I had a friend who was like they wanted to blackmail him, and we reported it to the police. But up to now, still, we've not heard from the
Okay,
police.
that is good. You know, for we the police, you get it. That is why we are there, to maintain order, peace, and then protect life and property. We don't just jump into cases or conclusion. We take our time to do investigation. You get it, before we come out with the results.
Thank you very much. And secondly, why is it that the police they like taking bribe?
And police like
Is
taking
it that the government don't pay them or what?
I don't get. Can you
Even me right now, as I was
Okay.
coming, the car I took, the mate settled.
You relax and talk.
Like right now, as I'm coming, the car I bought,
Okay.
the driver,
Okay.
like the police stopped us and he tipped the police. He gave the police. It was 2 CD I saw. Yeah, 2 CD. How can you take 2 CD?
Okay. Actually, it is totally against the law. We are not permitted to take bribe from anyone. Do you get it? But you must also remember there is Mensa everywhere.
Yeah.
You get it? Maybe the person is doing it out of his own interest, but the law doesn't permit that.
And
Do you get it?
yeah, officer, my last but one question. Why is it that the police normally harass we the youth, like especially the ghetto youth, the street boys, because they smoke? Is it bad to smoke?
Do you smoke?
Oh, officer, I don't smoke, but I have friends who smoke.
Do you smoke?
Officer, no. I have friends who smoke, who are victims. Police arrest them and jail them because they smoke.
Yes. Smoking is against the law. Do you get it?
Yeah, I get
It is against the law. We, the police, we have every right to search whoever, so long as the law has permitted us to do so. You get it?
Yes, I get it.
So there is nothing wrong if police search you, arrest, what do you call it? The drug dealers. Yes, the law permits that.
And my last question is, why is it that the police, sometimes
No, all these questions, is this something which is bothering you?
Yeah.
Can you come clear?
Yeah, because I like the police, and in future I would like to join the police.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
It's
why
not
I
bad.
want to know. And the police too. You officer is okay. It's like my questions are. Thank
Then
you very
better.
much.
Have a good day.
Hey, officer. Please, can you give me 1 CD?
I don't have.
But you take 1 CD from people.
My friend, I said I don't have. Move.
So can you arrest me as I'm standing here because I'm asking you 1 CD?
I said leave my sight.
I should leave your side.
Yes, before I grab you.
Hey, officer.
Are you okay? No, are you okay? Is everything all right?
Just
No, leave my sight.
You've not touched me.
Leave my sight, my friend. I said leave my sight.
Hey, why would you
Come on, move. Look at this foolish